beautiful day for a recipe. Storms are coming, raining, wind, who knows what else. Anyway, I buy a whole side of salmon. I cut it up, and this is the belly part, the thin part. So this is going to take like a half a minute to cook. Put some salt and pepper. Turn it over. Do the same thing. Someone out there that complained that I don't use the pepper mill, if they see this video, they're going to be so happy. Oh, that was pepper. Well, I like pepper anyway. Now, switching over to the pan, this is oregano oil. You see how hot it is? Can't get it too hot because it's olive oil. I just want to sear this quickly. Take it out. Take it out, put it on the plate, wait, and I'm using all this oil because as soon as I opened the container of oregano oil that I made about a month ago, oh, what a fragrance. Anyway, gotta be very careful. I put a quarter of a cup in there because that's gonna almost be like my, not a sauce, but that's gonna be on the plate on the salmon. Tilt it forward if you got a lot of grease in there. You don't want to burn yourself. Or set the stove on fire. This piece I'm going to take out in about 10 seconds because it's very thin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you. Put that on the plate. Let this piece go for another minute. Why? Because I want both of them done at the same time. I'm going to put the onions and the garlic in there. I put a lot of onions this time. They cook down to nothing and they just taste good. Now I don't need such a high flame. I'll take care of the salmon. Lower this a little. Let's slide the onions and garlic in there. And after this sautés for a couple of minutes, which I'm not going to let you watch because it's a waste of film, and when you look for something online, you want to get the information and get off. So, as you see, it's sautéing, right? And this will take about 5-6 minutes. I'm not covering it because I'm looking for a little color. Of course, I forgot, everything that you cook in a recipe has to be seasoned. So sprinkle a little salt on there and a little pepper. Sure, this does taste better than the ground pepper that you have in a container. Anyway, a good 10 minutes have passed. So that's it for the onions. And I'm going to put in the white wine and shut this off. This way the white wine gets a little cooked in there, and then when I put the salmon in, it'll cook more, the alcohol will go out, and we'll eat some salmon. So that's it for right now. Everything is shut down. I have to wait until it's time to eat dinner to finish it. Well, we're going to finish up now. Everything's cooking again in there. And we'll put the fish. And one of the ingredients I forgot, which is the lemon juice. Turn this up all the way, high, high, high. And this won't take long at all. Maybe another 2 minutes. We don't like our salmon well done. And if you start to see cracks in the fish, that means you overcooked it. Smell that oregano. I mean, you could use whatever herb you like, but this oil really worked out well. One more minute, and we are done. Lower the flame. Get everything else ready for the plate. Having a little broccoli with that, some aromatic rice. Jasmine rice. And we are just about ready. We'll now put together the plate. Shut the fish off. Get the vegetables, the fish. You can finish that off with, as usual, scallions, scallions, parsley, chives. Just putting the rice on the plate. And the broccoli. Broccoli every day. I think it's the best vegetable for you, so why not? And when you buy a big bag at Costco, you better eat it because it doesn't last forever. So now we'll put that piece, some of the topping. Don't be so sloppy on the plate. Drop more. And there you go. This is our dinner, and I'm going to enjoy it. And I hope you do when you try it.